Hello, today we are looking at top 10 charity WordPress themes to build a perfect and eye-catching charity websites. All the themes that I mentioned are handpicked from the top marketplaces that helps you to build perfect and creative websites for promotion and branding. It may be for personal, commercial or agencies. All these themes will fit perfectly. The link for the themes are mentioned in the description. Before going to the top 10 charity WordPress theme, here comes VictorThemes store, where you can get 40 plus WordPress themes and 1500 plus creative graphic templates for just $59 per year with monthly new files. Subscribe to VictorThemes store and explore the unlimited access for quality files. Now, let's start with top 10 charity WordPress themes. Number 1. Groppe, non-profit WordPress theme by VictorThemes. Groppe is a fully functioned and fundraising charity WordPress theme that helps you to create a beautiful non-profit organization website. You can promote your website everywhere with a highly featured donation plugin and enriched layouts that make people believe in causes. It comes with pre-made home demos, different header styles, multiple color options, dedicated donation plugin and many more that helps you to have a perfect charity and fundraising website. Number 2. HelpingHands, charity WordPress by Scat Design. HelpingHands theme is a design for charity, NGO, non-profit organization, donation, church or fundraising website. You can easily connect donation via PayPal or other payment processing gateways. The theme is very powerful and easy to use and customize, whether you are a pro or a beginner with no coding skills. They develop a simple to use one-click demo install. Choose the demo that you like, click on import demo and that's it. You're done with your charity website. Number 3. Charitix, non-profit charity WordPress theme by ThemePress. Is perfectly built for charity, non-profit, NGO, donation and fundraising campaigns with outstanding and amazing features. This theme has all the necessary features for a charity site. The features are built with super friendly UX which offers the best experience ever of the complete charity WordPress website. Number 4. Alone, charity multipurpose non-profit WordPress theme by VictorThemes. Alone is a powerful flexible theme that comes with 30 plus unique and stunning demos. It is suitable for all your ideas and different types of non-profit organizations, NGO, church, events, political, candidate, campaign project. It is a responsive and retina-ready theme that comes with comprehensive option panel, unique page transition, distinctive typography that makes your site look more professional. Experience the highly customizable theme and make your fundraising site a great hit. Number 5. Lifeline, NGO, fundraising and charity WordPress theme by Webinar. Lifeline is a clean, highly flexible and beautifully designed template with fresh and mobile-friendly layouts. This non-profit WordPress template has been successful in helping different fundraising organizations to showcase their content and get donations. This WordPress theme can be used for fundraising, NGO, charity or any other non-profit project. It comes with 85 plus dynamic elements, 10 plus predefined color schemes, 5 header styles with some more effective features. This theme helps you to build an effective charity website easily, that too in a matter of minutes. Number 6. Advocator, non-profit and charity responsive WordPress theme by Rescue Themes. It is a professionally developed for mobile and touchscreen devices. Advocator is a premium WordPress theme for building non-profit and charity organization websites. This theme comes with light, clean and responsive design. This theme is developed in a way that it accepts donations seamlessly. This theme comes pre-packed with drag and drop page builder to ensure you can easily design your website just how you like it. With its effective features, build the high efficiency website faster than ever. Number 7. Charity WordPress theme by Nick Dark is a clean WordPress charity theme which fits for all kinds of charity, fundraising and non-profit websites. It is a great theme that will make a model and professional website with all your needs. This theme includes a cool donation plugin which lets you to create causes, make donations and much more. Its creative page templates helps you to build a proper and well-developed website as you wish. Make sure to explore it, you will really enjoy it. Number 8. Born to Give, charity crowdfunding responsive WordPress theme by IMI Themes. Born to Give is a fully functional WordPress theme designed and developed for crowdfunding, charity or non-profit websites and comes handy for corporate businesses as well. It is a fully responsive template based on Twitter Bootstrap framework that makes it available for all screen sizes. Their pre-made templates and easy to use theme options allow you to create a unique and perfect page for any purposes. All the demos can be installed with just a click. Experience the highly customizable theme and make your brand reach great heights. This theme has the ability. Number 9. Charity Hub, non-profit or fundraising WordPress theme by Good Layers. Charity Hub is a clean, responsive WordPress theme. It is especially designed for charity, NGO, non-profit organization, donation, church or fundraising websites. Charity Hub comes with many awesome features such as parallax or color or full width sections, better column or row management. They also put many other cool features such as importing demo page buttons, mega menu, box or full style, scalable containers and much more. Number 10. Poora, Fundraising and Charity WordPress theme by SH Themes. This theme is designed for charity, NGO, non-profit organization, donation, church or fundraising website. This theme was built on Elementor, a very convenient drag and drop of WordPress. It should provide you with smoothest experience while creating your website with their theme. This WordPress theme is responsive. You can also view it in mobile or tablet devices. With their demo data importer, you will set up and ready to customize your site in minutes. Change the look and feel of your website with the included custom Google font options. Use their theme option panel to change the fonts of your body, header, heading and menu. That's it for top 10 charity WordPress themes, and the link for the themes are mentioned below. Finally, here comes again the VictorThemes store. Don't miss this limited time offer. Get your quality files today.